Hel- Hello, dear students. Welcome to Yash Academy Karad. In this video, I am going to discuss the very important multiple choice questions from chapter solutions. तर यामध्ये असे काही प्रश्न निवडलेत की जे यापूर्वी नीट या परीक्षेला विचारलेले आहेत किंवा येणारी जी परीक्षा असणारी आहे त्या परीक्षेला यावर प्रश्न विचारले जाऊ शकतात. अशा प्रश्नांची निवड ही इथं केलेली आहे. म्हणजे नीट साठी असेल, JEE साठी असेल, MHT CET असेल किंवा BSc नर्सिंग साठी असणार आहे. Now this is the first question to you. Which of the following statement is correct regarding a solution of two compounds A and B exhibiting positive deviation from ideal behavior? नीट 2019 ला प्रश्न विचारलाय. ऑप्शन्स आर intermolecular attractive forces, those between AA and BB are stronger than those between A and B. B, delta mix H is equal to 0 at constant temperature and pressure. C, delta mix V is equal to 0 at constant temperature and pressure. And D, intermolecular attractive forces, those between AA and BB are equal to those between A and B. Here, the intermolecular attractive forces between A and B is weaker than AA and BB. So, in other words, intermolecular force is lower on mixing the two component A and B. Hence, the rate of evaporation of both components increases as expected according to Raoult's law. As a result, partial vapor pressure of each component will be greater as expected in the case of ideal solution of the same composition. So, out of these four options, the correct answer option of this question is A. Next one, the mixture that forms maximum boiling azeotrope is A, ethanol plus water, B, acetone plus carbon disulfide, C, heptane and octane, and D, water and nitric acid. Maximum boiling azeotrope corresponds to negative deviation from Raoult's law. So the amount of vapor pressure decreases, that is A, B is much greater than AA and BB. म्हणजे A आणि B मध्ये AA आणि BB यांच्यामध्ये तर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग किंवा इंटरमॉलिक्युलर फोर्स म्हणजे हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग असायला पाहिजे आणि A आणि B मध्ये पण असायला पाहिजे. आणि ते जे जास्त आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं ते वॉटर आणि नायट्रिक ऍसिड मध्ये, देन इथेनॉल अँड वॉटर. सो करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन इज D. Next one, which of the following is dependent on temperature? Molarity, mole fraction, molality, weight percentage. Molarity, that is the mole per liter, includes volume and hence it depends on the temperature. So correct answer option is A, molarity. Next, which of the following statements about the composition of vapor over an ideal 1:1 molar mixture of benzene and toluene is correct? Assume that the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and given that the vapor pressure data at the same temperature for benzene 12.8 kilopascal and for toluene 3.85 kilopascal. नीट 2016 ला विचारलाय. Options are given here. A, not enough information is given to make a prediction. Second, or B, the vapor will contain higher percentage of benzene. C, the vapor will contain higher percentage of toluene, and the vapor will contain equal amounts of benzene and toluene. So see this solution: A, benzene, B, toluene. So the ratio is 1:1 molar ratio. So XA is equal to half and XB is equal to half. So P is equal to PA plus PB. So if you put these values and you will get the P is equal to 8.325 kilopascal. and according to Dalton's law, P is equal to YA into P. So substitute this value, you will get the mole fraction of benzene in vapor, that is 0.768. YB is equal to 1 minus YA. So 0.232 is the mole fraction of toluene in vapor. So the vapor will contain higher percentage of benzene. So correct answer option is a B. Next, for 1 molar aqueous solution of the following compounds, which one will show the highest freezing point? JEE मेन 2018 ला हा प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे. हे जर ऑप्शन जर पाहिली आपण तर याचा आयोनायझेशन 3 Cl मिळतील, याच्यापासून 2 मिळतील, याच्यापासूनही 2 मिळतील, परंतु याच्यापासून देयर इज नो आयोनायझेशन. सो मॅक्झिमम फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट मीन्स minimum depression in freezing point. So less the number of particles produced, less is the depression in freezing point. So in option D, there is no ionization. The value of I, that is Van't Hoff factor, is equal to 1. D is the correct answer option. Next, if the molality of the dilute solution is doubled, the value of molar depression constant, that is Kf, will be half, tripled, unchanged, doubled. Here molar depression constant, that is Kf, does not depend on the concentration of solution, means there is no change, means unchanged is the correct answer option. Now next question, which among the following salts solubility increases with increase of temperature? Options A NaCl, B Na2SO4, KCl and NO3. Here solubility of NaCl and KCl changes slightly with the temperature. Solubility of Na2SO4 decreases with the increase of temperature, and here the solubility of KNO3 increases with increase of temperature. So correct answer option is a D, that is KNO3. Next, which among the following is not a solution? Water plus ammonia, hexane plus water, acetone plus water, acetone plus alcohol. Here hexane is insoluble in water. So B is the correct answer option. Ammonia is highly soluble in water. Hexane is non-polar, so it is insoluble in water. Acetone is miscible with water. Acetone and alcohol both are miscible and form hemiacetal compound. So B is the correct answer option. The law which indicates the relationship between solubility of a gas in a liquid and pressure is Dalton's law, Raoult's law, Henry's law, Collerash's law. Correct answer is a C, Henry's law. Which of the following correctly represent Henry's law? These are the options. So correct answer option of this question is A, S is equal to KH, that is Henry's law constant into P. Select the correct gas which has less solubility in water. Carbon dioxide, ammonia, oxygen, hydrogen, chloride. So here C is the correct answer, oxygen. Which among the following gas will greatly deviated from Henry's law in water? Methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Here hydrogen and water, no reaction, hydrogen and nitrogen, no reaction with water. Here methane also insoluble in water, but carbon dioxide, it forms H2CO3, carbonic acid. So it deviates from Henry's law. So C, carbon dioxide. The solubility of a gas in a liquid increases with. The solubility of a gas in a liquid increases with. 4 options are here. Increase in temperature, reduction of gas pressure, amount of liquid taken, decrease in temperature, and increase of gas pressure. So D is the correct answer option. The value of Henry's constant is greater for gases with higher solubility, greater for gases with lower solubility, constant for all gases, not related to the solubility of gases. Here, you know this relation S is equal to KH into P. So KH is inversely proportional to solubility. So greater for gases with lower solubility. This is the numerical. The Henry's law constant for oxygen is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per dm cube per atmosphere. If the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.46 atm, that is the atmosphere, then the concentration of dissolved oxygen at 25 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure is. These four options are given. So by using this formula, you can calculate the value and it comes 5.98 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per dm cube. So C is the correct answer. Next, partial vapor pressure of a volatile component of the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. This statement is known as Raoult's law. Next, according to Raoult's law, the relative lowering of vapor pressure of solution is equal to, it is equal to mole of solute, mole fraction of solvent, moles of solvent, mole fraction of solute. So here this is, from this we can say that it is equal to mole fraction of solute. Thank you for watching the videos of Yash Academy.